Here I have VIVO Y17 and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. To do this, you will need this kind of tool which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So firstly, you remove this case. Here you can find this slot. So what you have to do is to take this tool, put it inside the hole on the slot, slightly press it. The slot will pop out. So here you should insert your SD card, and here you should insert your SIM card. So basically you have like okay, I believe this is the slot 1 and this is slot 2, so let's insert it this way and then back into our device. So as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, and to prove you that SD card is also detected, we go to storage and here you can see like this SD card options, which indicates that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.